Look at the size of this thing. Decades of neglect. The overgrowth is incredible. We need lights. Hit the floods. Let's assess the damage.
Initiating full structural scan on the Boeing 747.
Handheld scanner active. Wing integrity is nominal.
Overlaying holographic blueprints now. Cross-referencing data.
Scan complete. No anomalies detected.
Structural analysis confirms it. The engines are compromised.
Agreed. Initiating crane lift protocol.
Cranes are engaging. Lift in slow motion.
Engines are clear. Monitoring ascent.
Careful with the sparks, team. Watch your eyes.
Copy that. Panels loose.
Good. Keep it steady. Careful with the transport. Steady now. Keep those sparks contained. Watch the smoke. Good. Now secure it inside. Start on the first class seats. Careful, they're unstable. Got it. This upholstery is shredded. Electronics are fried. Cutting power. Good. Bag the modules. Copy. Moving them out.
Titanium aircraft parts arriving in huge cargo containers. These precision components will power the next generation of flight.
Alignment is perfect. Begin final weld sequence. Copy. Calibrating arms now. Monitor heat levels closely. All systems green. Welding is optimal.
Landing gear inspection complete. Proceeding with hydraulic repairs. Copy that. Monitoring pressure now. Valve secured. No leaks. Pressure is nominal. Ready for extension test. From the cockpit's precision, we envision a new era. Introducing the luxury Boeing 747 redesign. Revolutionary seating, adaptive ambiance, panoramic luxury.
Introducing the luxury redesign concept. Premium leather seats and golden details install seamlessly. LED ambient lighting activates, creating an immersive atmosphere.
a sunrise. Incredible.
It's beautiful.
This engine powered through the skies. Then, disaster struck. But from the wreckage, a journey began. Piece by piece, it was reborn.